Woo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am JT Traveler, and today I'm riding my bicycle in the freezing temperatures of Texas on my ZiZZO Forte, the folding bike. It is currently like 20 degrees out here. I'm from the north, so this is usually normal about this time, but it's like a freeze out here. It's snowing. It's like a light drizzle of snow. I've only been out here for a couple of minutes and my hands are already frozen. This glove is a biking glove and my hands are freezing. This is a winter glove and I feel good with this one. So I have to go back and change out my gloves. Today we're gonna be checking out what it's like to be in Texas during a freeze. And I'm gonna see if I'm able to ride my bike to places if I needed to in an emergency. So we're gonna see if that's possible. I'm gonna see how long I can stay out here. We'll put a timer up. Hopefully I can do it and not freeze over like a cat. All right, guys, let's get started. Whew. We're on a trail right now. I've never been on this trail before, so it's gonna be a little bit of an adventure. Sheesh. I think the only problem I have right now is my fingertips. For some reason, my gloves don't work on me. I don't know what it is, but my fingertips are cold, like numb already. And I haven't been outside for that long at all. As you can see, it's actually frosted out here. I don't get why they get so cold so quickly. And the doctor said I'm not anemic, so I don't get it. But yeah, for my gloves, I just put my work gloves over the gloves I had. And it was working at first, but I don't think it's gonna work too long. My fingers just have some type of issue with them where they get cold for some reason. See, I can stop. I can barely move them. Put them back in my shirt. But yeah, we're gonna keep on going. Right now, as you can see, it's a wonderful, wonderful winter wonderland out here. That's the first time I've seen it like this out in Texas. It's crazy. Didn't know it got like this. I thought it was warm. So this is like a mountain bike trail from these boulders in the road. Let's see if we can go over there. Oh, please don't die, please don't die. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let me get that on camera so y'all can see the parkour on the ZiZZO Forte. Oh yeah. Woo. One thing I noticed is that the brakes are not that good in the winter time, because if I stop on it, it slides a little bit. It's not as good when it's warmer outside. Okay, so I took off one of the layers and my fingers feel better. And now this one's starting to freeze up again, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off this layer. I don't get my own fingers, man. Never understood though. See, I tried playing baseball, but it would get too cold outside and my fingers would freeze. I wouldn't be able to hold the ball. I couldn't throw it. I don't know how these guys do it. They live up in the north. They do ice baths. They be able to walk in the snow and 0-degree weather camping. Man, I am not that type of guy. I'll tell you that much right now. As you can see, there's some fallen trees. I noticed that these trees down in Texas, they be falling down naturally, like the branches and stuff. Oh, what's this over here? I wonder if we can get over there. Let's see. Looks like we got a path this way. We have a path that way. Ooh, that path looks fun. Huh. Looks like this is a trail. Alright, let's see. What's going on down here? Is it gonna get spooky? Oh. Should we do it, guys? Let's go walk down there and scout it out first. Make sure I'm running to nobody, hiding from the winter. Alright. Looks like one of those bridges that they have a bunch of. Ooh. Graffiti. Like cool graffiti too. Oh, they're all like, what is it, world? See that? Huh. right, let's go ahead and ride down that. Let's see how much speed we can pick up. My bike is falling. Are you ready to bomb this? Alright. Cowabunga, dude. Oh, so much rocks. Oh. Alright. Oh. Please don't be peeing here. Oh, I can't see nothing. There we go. That was pretty fun. Oh, look at that one. That one's cool. Alright. Let's just walk up here. Once again, ZiZZO Forte is not made for this. If I had to pick a way, let's go ahead and take this path because I got some speed going down it. Oh no, climb. Let's get up it. Yeah, we got up there. Yes, sir. Man. Another spooky way. Okay. This is a cool little area. We're climbing rocks now. Let's put it in second gear. There we go. Second gear helps out a lot. Alright. Woo. That frosty air, man. It's no joke. Alright, where are we at? That was kind of fun. Oh, we're back where we started. Let's see what goes on yonder. This path. Woo. My fingers are starting to feel it now. Put it back in the shirt. Oh, that's a cool little scene. Okay, it looks like it comes to a dead end. Or they're making a path, it looks like. The Violet Crown Trail. Oh, literally, I was just thinking in my head, like, what if somebody pulls up on me? And literally, that guy pulled up on me. That was like some type of dog or something. Oh, it's a cardinal. The thing that sucks is my body is like super warm, but my fingers are the only thing that are cold. My toes are okay because I got double layered on my socks. That's the good part about that. We're gonna head back. I'm getting too cold. I believe we can go this way to get back. Right. Next time I come out here in this, I'm gonna have to need some hot hands. Shortcut. Oh wow. What's this? It's a frozen pond. It's a frozen pond. Oh boy. That's pretty cool. I wonder what this was. It's like some type of a frozen something. All right, my fingertips are starting to hurt. It's time to head out. It's a little cold out here. All right. I think we're making our way back. Hopefully, because I'm freezing. Oh wait, what in the world? We're at a parking lot. Oh boy. Oh no. That little bush just ate my foot. I don't think I could do these little parkour things right here. Yeah, not that one. Maybe these ones up here though. So if I come up here like this. Ooh, I can strike it. You guys want to sit right here? And I need y'all to hype me up. So we did about 3.8 miles. About 10.9 was our fastest. Then terrible. Then crazy. We had a good time. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Okay, I don't know what happened with this recording part, but I didn't finish my outro. I didn't catch me going over that ramp. I'll do it again in a future video just to prove to you guys that I did it. I don't know. Anyways, I guess I was worried about getting frostbite and stuff like that because my fingers were really purple when I got back home. But thank you guys for watching, and adios.